Alright, now let's see what we get along with this dash camera. This is a dash camera. You can see here, this is a display. Alright, you can see here Toguard, and this is for your cabin, which you can rotate. Right? Wow, it's amazing. And this is your front side camera, which is full 1080 full HD. And remember one thing, you don't get any SD card along with this camera. You need to buy them separately. Alright, and we get a suction cup to fix on your windshield and a power cord, which is with the good enough length. And let's see what else do we have inside this box. Right, okay, this is a USB cable, and this is some bunch of manual book, and their details about support service and other things. Right, and yeah, that's it. That's what we got. And the best thing to know about this camera is it comes with a G sensor, it comes with motion detection, it comes with, the best part is it comes with night vision. Yes guys, this dash camera comes with night vision. And yes, it does have loop recording, so you don't have to worry about memory card or SD card gets full. Alright, it has a loop recording option in it. Alright guys, now let's see how to install it in our car. I've got 2007 Toyota Camry. I'll show you the complete hiding wires, how to hide wires, and how to plug in and how to connect all these things in this video. Alright, okay, let's go. First, clean your windshield where you want to place this dash camera. Okay, just clean it with the clean cloth. Alright, okay, once done, take your suction cup. This is our suction cup. And place it where you think you need to place this camera. Alright, okay, I feel this is good enough here for me. Alright, let me place this. Okay, this is much better. And after placing your suction cup, just lock it. Okay, now it's locked. You can see it's locked. It's not moving. It's not able to come out. Okay, it's so hard. Okay, fine. So it's locked now. You can see it's locked. Let's connect our dash camera now. So here is our dash camera, and we're gonna place it here, right here. All right. Alright guys, so you can see we have fixed our dash camera to our windshield. Now let's just check out how to do the wiring. Alright, so here is the cable, the power cable, the car charger port, and in our Toyota Camry we have a charger port here inside here. Can you see guys here? Those who have Toyota Camry, they can understand where the charger would be. Alright, so here, and if you guys can see here, we have an option to pull this patch out. Let's see how to do it. And here, alright, so if you can see here, there is an option to pull this out. Alright, this will come out, and from here you can pull this out, push this out, and here, can you see guys? So the hole is created here. Alright, there's two parts. Okay, now what we have to do is just take your dash camera charger and place it to the charger, and the other side of the cable put it here to this hole. Alright, and this comes out from here. Can you see? Yeah, this is the one, and pull it out. Alright, so here it goes. Alright, you can see the cable is out. So the next part is to get your cable all from here, and here, and here. Alright guys, so I just forgot to show you something else which we got along with this dash camera. Those are these clips. If you can use it to fix these cables, and also you'll get a kind of a stuff through which you can actually push the cables to the edges. So I'm gonna show you now how I connected this dash camera. See, so here you can see the power cable which goes over the edge. Okay, I think you guys can see this. It's totally invisible now. Okay, right from there it goes like this, and here it comes right here, and here this is the only part where it is visible. And again from here, can you see here, it's visible, and it goes right down through these edges. Can you see here? See here, it is visible, right? Okay, from here it goes all the way down, and like this, and here you see here it's a little visible, that's okay, and here, and right inside here. With this you can even close this so it looks neat and clean. So this is how we installed this dash camera. Alright, now let's just start our car. Let's see if everything works fine. Alright. Now, yes. The moment we turned on the key, dash camera turned on. Now let's just see if it turns off when we put off our key. Alright, now we turned off our key. Let's see. Oh yeah, see, it just turned off. Right? Okay, let's just turn it on again. Alright, so it turned on. So this is all about the settings. First one is screensaver, auto power off, light frequency, deep sound, language for date and time, format, restore setting, and the version and LED light. As I said, LED light is exclusively for this inside cabin camera. And there is one more important thing is you cannot turn off this cabin camera under any circumstances. There is only a way out to, oh, wait a second, okay. There is only a way out to disconnect cabin recording is you can just switch this side, and when you want you can just put it back. So that's the only thing where you can avoid recording of cabin. And the next is about our another menu part. Okay, so here you can see the resolution. It's full HD. You can see it's 1080 full HD and 720 and VGA. You have three options for it, as I've said it for 1080, and the next one is loop recording. I have kept it for 3 minutes. Then high dynamic range, as I said, it's HDR, and I have turned it on, and it's an exposure. It's motion detection, which I turned it off, which I don't need, and it's a recording turn on, and it's a date stamp. It's a G sensor. It's a very important about every dash camera, which I turned it high. And this is a parking monitor, which I turned it on, which is another important factor about every dash camera. And this is all about our menu. Alright guys, so this is about our Toguard Full HD 1080p dash camera, and the model is CE41. The model, I repeat, it's CE41. Thank you guys. Okay, now let's check the video quality.